Sumatra is the largest island in Indonesia and the sixth largest island in the world. It is a volcanic island off the coast of Thailand and Malaysia in Southeast Asia. Sumatra has and continues to face a myriad of anthropogenically driven ecological issues, the most prominent of which is deforestation. Deforestation is responsible for an estimated 50% loss of habitat since the 1990s. As pictured here from a NASA satellite image, one can see a stark difference between just 1992 and 2001. This is mainly due to the massive economic gains from clearing forests and wetlands for lumber, and to then replace these areas with coal and oil extraction sites, palm oil groves, and shrimping tomboks. All of these factors lead to a loss of habitat for Sumatra's species of animals. Islands normally have drastically higher levels of species endemism as compared to mainland ecosystems. Additionally, pygmy species, flightlessness, and often a low predator population can be observed on islands. Sumatra is unique, however, in that it features megafauna, predators, and flightless species, including two species of orang, one of which was just discovered in November of 2017, a tiger, the Sumatran elephant, the ground cuckoo, and the Sumatran rhino. If habitat loss and poaching of megafauna does not decrease soon, however, there won't be anything left to discover. All of these species are currently classified by the IUCN Red List as critically endangered, with the tiger population sitting at between 4 and 500 and the rhinos at less than 100 in the wild. There is still hope, though. Groups like the World Wildlife Foundation, the Sumatran Orangutan Conservation Program, the Batang Toru Ecosystem Group, and many others are working to preserve the forests and wetlands that are necessary for the continued existence of these species. These groups are helping to educate the public and villagers about the importance of these animals, setting up programs for alternative income and poaching control, as well as working with the Indonesian government and local communities to establish plans that would work for both. They are also leveraging such issues as the amount of deforested land building up the same amount of CO2 that the Netherlands would in 1 year, and using that in such issues as the Paris climate talks. All of this, though, is to protect the megafauna of Sumatra. Sumatra has a long way to go, but there is still hope with the proper management and resource allotment that the island's gorgeous megafauna may one day make a comeback.